art lesson with me, Miss Robertson. I'm so happy to be able to chat with you again today. And we're looking at what happens when we mix colours together today, with a little bit of inspiration from one of our friends. So, here I'm adding yellow, red and blue in a triangle shape. These are the primary colours. We can't make these colours with any other colours. What goes in between these colours in our colour wheel? So I'm taking a little bit of yellow and putting it on either side so it's ready for mixing. Taking a little bit of blue, oh too much blue, add a bit more yellow. I'm mixing it together and you can see I get a really nice kind of pea green colour. And a little bit of red added together to make orange. And finally some red and some blue added together. Now it's really difficult to see the purple on camera, so I'm going to add a little bit of white so that you're able to see it. Green, orange and purple are called secondary colours. These are ones that are able to be made from two primary colours together. Whoa! Too much white! Calm down, Miss Robertson. If I was to take all three of these colours and mix them together all at once, what colour do you think I'll get? We might need a brown, and this is definitely a good way to make brown, and you could play about with how you put the colours together to make that. But this is why we can't just put every colour into a picture and expect it to turn out right. We've got to be clever when we're mixing colours. Today's lesson is inspired by our good friend Cowboy Bob. If you haven't watched the video of Cowboy Bob in class with me before, then I would say watch this video first, and I've left a link down in the description box so that you can watch that next. But what we're up to today, we've actually got red and yellow to mix together. Can you remember what that makes? That's right, it's orange. I'm going to create a wash effect, so I'm using a little bit of the paint along with lots of water. Make sure not to add too much water at a time, or your paper will get very soggy and you might get a rip in it. Next up, I'm adding black. Now unfortunately we can't mix a black colour for ourselves. This is going to be the ground in my picture. After that's dried, I'm going to add some silhouettes. Now silhouettes are when the sun is behind someone or something and we can only see the outline. To make cactuses for our desert scape, draw some numbers. 1, 4 and 3 all make really good cactuses to draw around. I've drawn a 1 and a 4 really tiny so that they look like they're away in the distance. Once you've done the numbers, draw a big loop round them and fill them in. Give them a couple of spikes to let people know, do not touch. finally, I'm adding 2 little scribbly circles for some tumbleweed rolling about in our desert. And now it's your turn. So take a photo of your final work and upload a picture to your Google Classroom. Can't wait to see it.